Please excuse this very awkward voiceover. This is my first time making a video like this, and that being making a wire wrapped gift tutorial sorts. And if you can tell by my face here, I'm not sure how I feel about that yet. Hi, my name is Irie. I got 2 crystal points here that I'm going to make into pendants. And if you want to see how they turn out, stay tuned. So I decided for these, I wanted to do silver for one piece and copper for the other piece. This one's going to be in silver and this one's going to be in copper. So let's start here first. We are finally done. Gosh, aren't these so pretty? Thank you all for watching me. Bye.